Hi everyone. Power 100% means the laser is operating at maximum power. This is important to ensure there is enough energy to penetrate 3 mm thick wood in a single pass. Speed 20 is considered relatively slow. When the laser moves more slowly, more energy is concentrated on a single point. As a result, the cut becomes deeper and can usually go all the way through without needing multiple passes. This machine is highly suitable for engraving text, logos, patterns, and custom designs on wood materials such as 3 mm plywood or basswood. With the support of the air assist and exhaust system, the process runs more smoothly and produces a cleaner, more professional finish.